So this is just an interesting quick thing about a commercial project. It's not mine, but on the road near our house, there is a building that being built by, I believe, a family. It looked like a house, and they worked on it for, I would say 3 years, slowly, slowly, slowly. So finally we see the sign that says it's a restaurant. It says opening soon, Cafe Dang Yang or whatever. And we were like, oh, cool, it's going to be a Thai restaurant. And this is so neat. We're going to have something in our neighborhood. So we wait and we wait. And finally, the sign comes down that says coming soon, and nothing goes on. And then there's like the building is empty, except the owners are still going in there. So I'm like, what is going on? So I talked to someone who knows what's going on there. And he said, oh, yeah, they did the whole project and they didn't have a building permit. So now they can't open the restaurant because they can't get an inspection, and they will never be able to open the restaurant. And so I was driving past there a few weeks ago, and I noticed there's a big padlock on the door, so obviously it's going to be for sale. They're a padlock for a realtor.
Oh.
So I was just like, because they'll never be able to open. They're going to be told they have to cut into everything, show your electrical, show your plumbing, show everything. And then that would just be, probably hundreds and $1,000s worth of work.
That's sad.
So that is sad.
Yeah.